How to fix Spotify code 13 on Spotify. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Then you will go directly to apps or application, and here you will find all the application that you have on your phone. So you will search just for Spotify only. And when you found the Spotify's guys, just open it like this and go to storage option and then click on clear data, click OK and go back and click on first stop and click OK, and then go to the Play Store and update your Spotify again. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.